Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Canon PIXMA printer to iPhone step by step clearly. First, ensure your Canon PIXMA printer is powered on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your iPhone. On your iPhone, open the App Store and search for the Canon Print Inkjet/Selfie app. Download and install the Canon Print app. Once the app is installed, open it on your iPhone. You may be prompted to allow notifications. Choose your preference. Tap on the Add Printer option within the app. The app will search for available printers. When your Canon PIXMA printer appears in the list, select it. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to connect your printer to the app. Next, go to your iPhone settings and navigate to Wi-Fi. Check if your printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your iPhone. If necessary, configure your printer's Wi-Fi settings from the printer control panel. After confirming the connections, return to the Canon Print app. You should now see your printer listed as a connected device. To print documents or photos, select the file you wish to print from the app. Adjust the print settings, such as paper size and number of copies. Tap on the Print button to send the job to your printer. Wait for the printer to process and print your document or photo. Once printed, you can pick up your printout from the printer tray. Congratulations, you have successfully connected your Canon PIXMA printer to your iPhone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.